Well, here is a pre-made canvas template which included in my amazing marker set. There are 4 different paper textures in it. You could choose one paper texture or even combo of 3 at once for rough and highly visible texture. Here are also my few sketches which are included, for your coloring work to help you start faster. Okay, let's move to the palettes. There are 14 palettes which according to an actual analog Copic marker palettes. You even will be able to follow tutorials for non-digital markers with them. I've chosen a group of colors from Earth palette. I'll use it for main subject of our drawing, doors and brickwork. Adding them to new palette. Pick up complementary colors from Harmony color wheel. Blue hues will come useful later for shadows. And green hues for bright water accent. And some darker variants.